Hello, my name is Elizabeth Pakravan, founder and executive director at Martha Ruth Community Building. Nowadays, it doesn't matter what is your social or economic background, what is your faith, what you are coming from. From the top to the bottom, we all as parents are struggling raising our children. In a world where skills are valued as much as knowledge, nurturing our children to embody core values from an early age is crucial. Imagine a future where every child grows not only academically proficient, but also equipped with life skills that foster self-confidence, compassion, love, and a strong sense of community. This vision is at the heart of our program. Today, we invite you to join us in a transformative initiative aimed at empowering parents to instill these essential values in their children. We all are responsible for bringing the gap between mere knowledge acquisition and the development of vital soft skills that are the cornerstone of success in both personal and professional realms. We are here to help. We are here to work together. We are here waiting for you to become a protagonist in this endeavor that is connected to empower our children, the future adults of our society.